Hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. And today we're on a bit of a historical journey. Madison and I came out here to the Minuteman National Historical Park. There's the house back there. We're actually overlooking the bridge where the original shots heard around the world came from. So look at this. By the rude bridge that arches the flood, their flag to April's breeze unfurled, here once the embattled farmers stood and fired the shot heard around the world. That phrase, the shot heard around the world, comes from the opening stanza of Ralph Waldo Emerson's Concord hymn, written in 1837, and it refers to the first shot of the American Revolution at the Old North Bridge in Concord, Massachusetts, where the first British soldiers fell in the battles of Lexington and Concord on April 19, 1775. While composing the Concord hymn, Emerson lived in the same house from which his grandfather and father had witnessed this skirmish, and that house is located approximately 300 feet from the North Bridge. The next day.
Okay. You're clear, clear.
Well, spacious skies, unfortunately, we didn't get a lot of time to hang out with you, but we did have a wonderful time here in Littleton, which is quite a fun name to say. But we are heading to Rhode Island. It's a travel day, so come along with us as we head to the next state in our New England adventure. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. And today, we're in Rhode Island. So we're in the town of Portsmouth, just outside of Providence, and we're in this wonderful campsite with no trees, so we have blazingly fast speeds with Starlink. So I think I might be doing some gaming tonight. I'm really excited about that. I have not gamed in a long time, so the last campsite that we had, Spacious Skies, had no spacious skies. It was literally thick woods, so we had very little signal. Literally like days later. Hello, good morning, and welcome to the gates of the city. That's right, this little erected gate was to signify the friendship between Falls River and the city of Ponta Delgada. This site was visited by His Excellency, the President of the Portuguese Republic in 2007. So very neat. We were just driving by on the way to another place, and I saw this. I figured, hey, the gates of the city. Let's check it out. What do you see? Honk! Honk! Honk at him, Bubba. Honk! Honk! They're looking at you. Think they want to eat you. Say bye, geese.
Bye, geese.
Yeah, Battleship Cove. Say that.
Battleship Cove.
Battleship Cove.
Battleship Cove.
So the gates of the city were on the other side of that bridge. If you go over that side of the bridge, the gates of the city are there. And here We are at the Falls River Heritage Park, which also shares the parking lot with Battleship Cove. And the reason they call it Battleship Cove, I'll show you in a second. There are 4 ships here that are from World War II, I believe. So I'm going to list them all right here, and let's go take a look at them. You can actually buy tickets and go aboard. I don't know that that would be something that we would do with Madison. I feel like with the bulkheads and all that stuff, it might be a little too much for her. So we were over there looking across at the ships here. This is the parking lot, which is pretty neat. And then there's, so like if you go over there, you could see the Battleship Cove right there. That's where you go like in. But there's this building here. And if you notice in the window, there's like a carousel. But all this is overgrown. This is like all locked up. So I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's closed, Bubba. Come on. I wonder if this was a pandemic loss, you know? Nobody coming out here to buy ice cream or whatever. But check this out. Boom. That is pretty sick, my guy. Pretty sick. So this is a September 11th memorial to all of those citizens of Massachusetts that they lost. So it looks like you can go get on the carousel. Let's go check it out. Come on, Madison. Oh, so it's just the outside that was locked. Good, how are we doing? So we are here at the carousel by ourselves. I mean, this is run-a-mucka town, you know? If I don't say so myself, this is run-a-mucka town. It seems like this was quite the attraction at some point. You know, that in the 90s, this was like the place to come. You ride the carousel. I mean, there's space all the way around this for people to stand and look out these windows at the Battleship Cove. I mean, this says that this was built by the Philadelphia and Toboggan Company in 1920. It operated in Lincoln Park between 1920 and 1986. It was restored in 1991 and installed on this site in 1992. So I was 4. So this thing's been here for, 30 years. And I mean, it looks great. It looks in great shape. They're definitely playing music on a speaker. However, there is a music box here. So I think it just probably stopped working and they just don't want to pay to fix it. So there's a speaker playing music. So I thought you'd come up here and there would be a person here to pay, but the only person I've seen so far was the guy downstairs in the ice cream place. So I guess we'll go back down and talk to him. Ding, 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 he's ringing the bell. It's off to the races. What is it?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie ice cream.
Pumpkin pie ice
And
cream.
then we got a little pin as well. Can I have some?
No.
I can't have any. You're not gonna share?
Did you make this?
No, I bought it so that we could share.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna have it together. No, that's not how you eat ice cream.
This is Maddie's.
No, we're supposed to share it. Can Daddy have some? Yes.
You know.
Wow. So it is 7:35 at night. We're just finishing dinner because Katie had to work really late. And this RV park, last night, we heard someone playing music, kind of circling the campground. And it passed us and it hit me. I think that's the ice cream man. Katie's a fiend for ice cream. So I just heard it again. And she's like, do you really think that's the ice cream man? And I was like, go now. So she ran upstairs, grabbed my wallet because I'm the only person that has cash. And then she came down here and stole my Crocs. And then she ran out the door. So we're about to catch her coming back in, I think with ice cream. I don't know. Maybe he stole her. Maybe he was a kidnapper. I don't know. But we're about to catch her coming in here red-handed with ice cream.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy-o. Oh, I got some ice cream.
Yeah, you already had ice cream today.
I gotcha!
You got the picture of me coming back in the ring wearing your shoes,
Yeah. Oh, no, I've already told them.
wallet.
I've already told them.
wearing my pajamas.
Mommy, run out the door.
Priorities, okay?
Yeah.
Mommy,
And ice cream is the
Mommy.
highest.
Mommy.
So let me see. Wow, what'd you get?
Chocolate chip cookie dough and cookies and cream.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm
Guy was really
excited.
nice too. He said he comes here almost every night, and his sales are worth coming here all through the summer.
No, I bet. I bet.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
What? You want to try it right now?
Let's try it, she says, assuming you're going to share. What a foolish child. You think she's going to share with the likes of you?
Absolutely not.
Let's try it.